This birdcage was kindly gifted by the brand, and honestly, it's really great. It looks very nice and well designed, and it has a clean, professional finish. Assembly was super easy. It took me about 20 minutes and everything fit together smoothly. The metal feels very sturdy and solid, definitely not cheap at all. The wooden ladder is also very good quality, strong, and well finished. Nothing feels flimsy. Cleaning is very simple because you can remove the tray, which is very practical for daily maintenance. You also have the option to add the wheels, so it's easy to move around when needed. On the top, the two cups are removable, which makes them easy to clean and refill. Overall, it's very sturdy, very well made, and well built, and I would highly recommend it.